Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G gets certified again. More details about the device has been leaked. Also, we have a Samsung new Galaxy Z Fold3 render has been surfaced. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some latest news. So as far as the launch date of the S21 Fan Edition, it's going to be happening in the month of September or October just because of the chip shortage. We already know some specification of the device thanks to the FCC listing. But today, the colorful Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition has reportedly been certified in China, and the device listing collaborates several specifications including the display size and battery capacity. So this TINA certification coming from MyFix Guide, which involves a Samsung smartphone that bears the model number SMG990, which believed to be international variant for the S21 Fan Edition. The report mentions that it is going to be featuring a 4370 mAh of battery capacity, which means approximately we are going to see 4500 mAh of battery cell. Also, leaks indicate the display size of the device. We are going to see a 6.4 inch of display, which is obviously going to be an AMOLED panel that is going to support the 120 Hz of refresh rate, and it also features a selfie camera cutout present on the top center of the device. So basically, judging from the AMOLED display, we can expect that there is also going to be an in-display fingerprint sensor in the S21 Fan Edition as well. Anyhow, it hasn't been mentioned that whether we are going to see the LTPO panel inside the S21 Fan Edition or not, so fingers are crossed right now regarding that technology. Moving forward, the leak also point out the dimension of the device. Specifically, the device is said to measure 155.7mm in length, 7.9mm in thickness, and the width is listed to be 4.5mm, though that's almost certainly a mistake and the real number might be 74.5mm. Anyhow, lastly, the certification listing from China points to presence of Android 11. Google Android 12 update should be available by the time the S21 Fan Edition hits the shelf in October, but Samsung variant probably won't be ready. In addition to that, the FCC certification revealed support for 45 watt of fast charging, presence of Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, and as a part of the package, it is coming with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and NFC support. Overall, the S21 Fan Edition is expected to be one of the best Android phone in 2021. Moving forward, the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G has been a bad kept secret. Week after week, with every leak, we got more complete picture of its overall spec sheet and design. But one thing that is not entirely certain is whether the inner selfie camera on the foldable screen will be a punch hole like the Z Fold 2 5G or the under display camera, as many other leaks suggested. But latest couple of renders courtesy to Ice Universe clearly showcase the under display camera. The renowned insider has supported the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G will have the under display camera for quite some time, pointing that the second half of the year will be the time to see the second generation of under display camera tech, and Samsung solution would have higher light transmission than any other on the market. So guys, anyhow, I am pretty much excited about the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition just because it's going to be a cheaper device. It's going to be coming with a great specification, a great flagship killer level device, particularly competing with the OnePlus and even the Samsung S21 and S21 Plus devices. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.